Napoleon fish, which are the big ones, lionfish, many, scorpion fish, Murinas. I forgot to tell you, last night, the first night dive, we saw Murina. She ate a fish. We saw her entering a hole and grabbing this fish from the hole in and having dinner. What else? Little things that I don't even know the names. Some shrimps, squids. Probably I forgot something. But we had missions in each of the dives where we could spot some rare animal on each of them. For example, last night we were going to try to spot the walking shark that to me looks more like a snake or like a lizard, and didn't see it.
Oh no!
Today we could have seen the oceanic manta and didn't see it. And a little seahorse, and of course didn't see it. But
oh no!
we saw a lot of other big things that I like more. Hey Patati, I'm getting close to the end of day 3 and I miss you. The little things, the big things, everyone. Knew I would have missed you, but I didn't expect so quick. Even if we're quite busy, but I thought a lot of you and I miss you.